I'm Suzy, and this is my car.
Can't believe in a 63 Rambler.
So, here we go. I go to a Hot Wheels contest, 50th anniversary. I win the Hot Wheels contest. I go to Vegas. I'm in Vegas with 15 other gorgeous cars that maybe could become a Hot Wheels car. Then Hot Wheels comes to you and they say, we're gonna pull your car out of SEMA. So before I even have a chance to think, oh my God, what did I do wrong? I'm on a racetrack with Jay Leno.
I'm Jay Leno out here in Speed Vegas. This is a track, a few miles right outside of Vegas. And I'm here with the Hot Wheels folks. And I'm a huge Hot Wheels guy. I love Hot Wheels. I think they're just the greatest. And they had this contest where they asked people to submit their car to become a Hot Wheel car. I gotta admit, this one's kind of my favorite. I like it because it still looks like a car. It still looks like what it used to be. I'm guessing a 63 Rambler, but let's meet the owner. Suzy, come on in. How you doing?
I'm great. How are you, Jay?
It's a nice job.
Oh, thank you so much.
Cool. So what was the impetus behind this? Why a 63 Rambler?
Well, I wanted a wagon,
Right.
for starters, and then I wanted a wagon that had a shorter wheelbase. I found this one up in Northern California under a blue tarp in a trailer park, and she spoke to me.
Is it just a race car? Or is it also a street car?
Oh, it's a street car. It's
Okay,
completely
so-
street legal.
okay,
It's
so it's
registered.
street legal.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
I can drive to the grocery store.
Right. Okay. I guess you could drive.
I get a lot of eyeballs.
Now tell us what we have for PowerPoint.
This is a 5.3 liter LS, and it's backed up with a 700R floor transmission.
Can you open the hood? Let's see.
Yeah, absolutely.
How about brakes? What do you got for brakes?
Those are Bear,
Okay.
6-piston, 14-inch brakes.
Modern alternator, all of that.
Yeah.
Well, cool. Can I drive it?
Well, sure. All right. I think you can give it a shot.
Cool.
Maybe I should ask you if I can drive something of yours.
We can work something out. The steering is so light, it's amazing. I can see how this would be addictive. It's a lot of fun. This is the best 63 Rambler I've ever driven.
Well, thank you. That's like saying it's the most fun you've had riding a unicorn.
Yeah. Well, this is pretty cool. I can't drive it as well as she does, but it's. I think she's kind of going, oh, look at this guy. Oh gosh, oh god. Grandpa's driving my car.
Hey, I'm
But-
a grandma.
But it's boy, it's really a lot of fun. And the steering is so light; it almost feels electric. It's amazing. It's really a beautiful job. It's well engineered, great looking. Anybody who even knows nothing about cars knows it's a '63 Rambler.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh yeah,
you
for
just
sure.
kind of go Rambler, and then you go, what was that, mid-60? Yeah, okay, it might be off by a year or two. It's the ultimate resto mod. You know, pretty cool. A grocery gas, and you're a grandma, right?
Yeah, I am.
So, come on, it's the coolest grandma in the world, right there. There you go. So, a lot of fun.